Hi, I'm Mark Nepo, and I'm excited to be returning to the Modern Elder Academy in Baja, Mexico, where I'll be leading a mastery week with Barbara Tint, all based on my new book, The Fifth Season, Creativity in the Second Half of Life. And the Baja campus is just magical, and we are so well cared for. The week will take place March 2nd through 7th, 2026, and you can find out more at meawisdom.com. Now, this retreat will center on our quest to keep growing and feeling ever more deeply as we age. You know, we all know as the years go by, the question for each of us becomes more and more real. What does it mean to age? Despite the limitations that come as our bodies wear down, there are many gifts to inhabit by aging. It seems that aging requires a different set of skills, and ultimately, if we can face this tenderly and truthfully, aging is, as the Jungian analyst Helen Luke describes, a journey into simplicity. And perhaps our greatest resource in aging is staying close to life and staying creative, for creativity never leaves us. It just keeps changing how it calls to us. And living a creative life doesn't mean that we have to strive to create great art. I feel more deeply we're asked to hold our individual lives as the work of art, that inhabiting fully will bring us into more and more aliveness. So to be clear, the goal in facing aging is not to beat it or duck it or run from it, or even to reframe it or minimize it. I think the goal in facing aging is to live more fully the closer we get to death, so we can die with no feeling left unfelt, no voice left unheard, and no thing in this world left unloved. I confess very simply that it's humbling to age and exciting to be fully here. After so many years, I feel like a man who has been turned inside out by life, and this has made me a student of the inside of everything. I think as we age, we meet in this inner field of presence where there's very little left in the way. So if you're moved, please join us. Again, this week will take place March 2nd through 7th, 2026, and you can find out more and register at meawisdom.com. I hope this finds you well, and thanks for listening.